What's going on? It's Mr. DS18 and thank you guys for tuning in to another unboxing video. Today we got the VMT1, the new compact size voltmeter by DS18. This is not just a regular voltmeter. This voltmeter actually has a remote in and a remote out. So you can mount this baby up anywhere you want. Motorcycle, side by side, Jeep, truck, regular sound system. If you don't have a sound system, you just want a voltmeter, this little sucker here is what you really need. Let's open this baby up so you guys can see its actual size. Check that out. Check that out. What else is in here? We got DS18 manual in English and Spanish. DS18 voltmeter. Now, let's light this guy up so you guys can see. It has really cool big numbers right there. Got a screwdriver here. So we're gonna power this up. I'm gonna grab the power. We need to wire up the remote, so I have two cables here. So let's put these together. We got that one in there. Got the screwdriver. Now the remote in is the one right next to the power, and then comes the negative, and then there comes the remote out. So we're gonna bridge over here and the remote in so that this one loose. Then we're gonna grab this guy for our ground, which is on the third one, and there we go. Now let's grab our wires, positive and negative. Start off positive, and now onto the negative. And there we go. There we have them. Check it out. Real cool. Can you guys see that? Oh, it turned off. Hold up. There. Wait. I got it. There we go. There we go. Check it out. There you see it. It has the big numbers, big blue numbers, so you can't miss it. You has two holes, one on top and one on the bottom, so you can either you can screw it down or use double-sided tape. It's a flat surface on the back, so you can tape it up there. On the back, you'll see it has the wiring diagram. It has the positive, then comes the remote in, negative, and then comes the remote out. And you're set to go. And there you guys have it, the new VMT1 voltmeter by DS18 with the remote in and the remote out. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18 and we like it loud.